Hello dear students, welcome to new session. Today we are going to continue the methods of solving a quadratic equations form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, the ultimate method is the quadratic formula, okay? The final method, just as the previous method, we will work on any quadratic equations. Therefore, we can use it when the other easier methods fails or cannot be applied, okay? If ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0, then x will be equal to minus b plus minus a square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, don't panic, it's not a big deal, it's not a hard questions, it's not a hard method for solving this kind of equation. Okay, I will open it up and I will explain it. Okay, look, we had a formula. Okay, this is our equation, ax squared plus bx plus c. First of all, we must find the a, b and c. Okay, in this question, what is a? A is equal to the coefficient of x squared. What is the coefficient of x squared? Is equal to 1. B is equal to the coefficient of x, 2. C is the constant term, minus 8. So, x is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, we are going to give the values of a, b and c. So, x is equal to minus b. What is b? 2. Minus times 2, minus 2. Plus and minus. Okay, b squared, it means 2 squared. Minus 4 times a. What is a? Is equal to 1. What is c? Is minus 8, okay? Over 2 times a. What is a? 1. X is equal to minus 2 plus and minus. 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. Okay, let me write here 4 minus 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 8, 32. Minus times minus plus 32 will be 36. So the square root of 36 is equal to what? 6. Am I right? Over 2 times 1. X is equal to minus 2 plus and minus. The square root of 36 is 6 over 2. So x1 is equal to minus 2 plus 6 over 2. x2 is minus 2 minus 6 over 2. Okay, we have two x's here. It means two roots. First we take positive, the second will be negative. It means minus 2 plus 6 and minus 2 minus 6. Minus 2 plus 6 will be 4. It means x1 is equal to 4 over 2 is equal to x2 will be minus 8 over 2 is equal to minus 4. They are the solutions, okay? Look at the second example. Also, we have to find a, b, and c. A is the coefficient of x squared. 3. 2 is the coefficient of x. It means it's b. And also c is minus 4. So, x1 and x2 will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2 times a. So, what's b? 2. It means minus 2 plus and minus b squared 2 squared minus 4 times what's a? 3. What is c? Minus 4. Okay, over 2 times 3. So the answer will be minus 2 plus minus the square root of 2 squared is equal to 4. Okay, minus times minus plus 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 4, what will be? 48. Am I right? 12, 48. So 4 plus 48 is 52. Am I right? Okay. 52 over 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Let me check if it's not wrong. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 4, 48. Okay? So, x1 will be minus 2 plus the square root of 52 over 6, and x2 will be minus 2 minus the square root of 52 over 6. Okay, they are the roots of this equation. Okay, discriminant of a quadratic equation. The quantity b squared minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Discriminant tells us whether the equation has real solutions, and also it's used to determine how many roots of an equation exist. The discriminant is denoted by delta. Okay, it means this was the formula. Okay, but instead of delta we have b squared minus 4ac. Delta represent this. Okay, delta represent this quantity, and instead of b squared minus 4ac we can write delta. Okay, okay, for a quadratic equation x squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, if the delta, it means delta was b squared minus 4ac, the number inside the square root. Did you remember? B squared minus 4ac. We can write like square root of delta. If delta is greater than 0, there are two distinct real roots. It means we have two numbers, they are not same. It means doesn't have a double root. Okay, if delta greater than 0. If delta is equal to 0, there's one real root, a double root. Okay, it means x1 is equal to x2, equal to a number. Okay, a number. And also, if delta is smaller than 0, there's no real solution, imaginary roots. Okay, if delta is equal to 0, it means after finding the b squared minus 4ac, for example, b squared minus 4ac, after substituting the numbers, it is equal to minus 4, then we directly say that there is no real solution. Okay, note, when finding roots of the quadratic equation, first calculate the discriminant. After giving the questions, first of all, we have to find the delta, b squared minus 4ac. After that, we check if delta is greater than 0, there's two distinct real roots. If delta is equal to 0, there's no real roots. There's one real root. And if delta is smaller than 0, there's no real solutions. Okay, thanks for watching. This was the final method of solution of a quadratic equation of the form x squared plus bx plus c. If you have any comments, or if you have any suggestions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching.